Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're cleaning a K&N air filter. This is a factory replacement air filter that outflows original equipment exponentially, flows about 30-40% better, gets you better gas mileage. You'll average about a mile per gallon better, and all you do is clean it about every 10,000 miles. So here we go. Let's go ahead and clean her up. This is a recharge kit. They cost about 10 bucks. Recharge kit's got two different things. It's got the oil to oil it after you're done cleaning it, and then you got your cleaner. All we do is just spray it down like so. Do is really saturate the medium with this cleaner, and then after that, all you do is let it sit for about 10 minutes, and what it does is it dissolves all the oil and all the dirt. So right now there's oil that's in the medium, and that traps the dirt and dust so it doesn't go into your engine. And then that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. You do both sides. This is the dirty side. You can see how dirty it is. You just keep going till the whole. Now it's time to rinse out the filter. So the filter, we sprayed it down. Now it's sat for about 10 minutes, and the dissolvent breaks down all the dirt, and it breaks down all the dust and all the oil that's in the filter. And you can already see it dripping pretty good. And you can see what's dripping out. Look how dark that is already. And now what we're going to do is, this is the dirty side, and this is the clean side. So the air comes in on the back side and goes out this side into the engine. So we're going to go from the clean side out, and here we go. You can see all that dirt just coming right out. All right, now we're running pretty clean already. You don't want to use any high pressure water on this. Only gravity is okay. You know, this isn't going to hurt the filter, but don't spray it hard with any, sprayer or anything like that. All right, this filter also will get you better gas mileage because of the way the medium is. The filter material flows a lot better than cellulose paper, which is a lot of original equipment air filters. So you're going to get better gas mileage, and also you're going to keep out a lot of the finer dust and dirt that goes in your engine. And when that dust and dirt goes in, it leaves carbon deposits inside your cylinders and all inside your engine, and you lose compression because the more contaminants that are in your engine, everything doesn't seal as well as it should. So, and also you can save your motor oil better by using a better filter. So a filter is very, very important on your car. Okay, we're rolling. All right, now we're going to take a look at both sides. Side is as clean as the outside where it leaves. I mean, the vice versa. So you can see they're both basically same exact shade. Now all we do is let it dry, and then we oil it. All right, we'll be back. Rinsing it out. Now we're just going to go ahead and swing it a little bit, try to get a little more water out. So we're just going to go like this. You can see quite a bit of water is coming out. What you do is let it sit for a few hours. That's pretty much it. All right, our final step. All we do is oil the filter. All you want to do is oil the filter on the side the air goes in, and on the side it exits, you do not oil it. So you shake up your can. Some are just a spray bottle, depending if you have a K&N filter or an Aerate filter. K&N and Aerate are my two favorite filters. I've used both of them, they're great. So here we go. Just one steady stream. That's it. Just one good layer. You don't have to hold it in one spot, and you're not going to completely saturate it. If you completely saturate it, it will run through the filter, and the air can blow it into your intake, and it can get on an oxygen sensor. And if this oil gets on the oxygen sensor, it can damage it. So you only want to do one light layer, let it stand for 10 minutes. I'm going to wipe down these sections, and we're all done. Here, just want to get that extra oil off. We're good to go for another 10,000 miles. Feel free to give me a call. My best reach phone number is 702-472-3614. Absolutely happy to help you with your car anytime. I do this stuff without even thinking about it anymore. It's just like automatic. So happy to do it for you if you're busy. All right, we'll see you guys next time.